Plants and their uses. Highlights of the lesson. Different types of plants. Different parts of plant. Uses of plants. We learn. From where do we get our food? From where do animals get their food? How do plants help us in giving food? Yes. Plants are of different kinds: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. We get cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, flowers and seeds from plants. We eat different parts of a plant. Even animals depend on plants for their food. So plants are called food producers. Plants grow in almost every part of the world. Without plants, there could be no life on the earth. We find plants in the garden, on the roadside, in the forest, in the fields and around our homes. Plants are very useful to other living beings such as animals and humans. Plants give oxygen that we all breathe. Plants are living organisms. They are also living things which can produce food with the help of sunlight, air and water. The different types of plants are as follows. Herbs. Herbs are plants that provide us leaves with fragrant or aromatic properties. This can be used to add extra flavor to food. Examples of herbs are basil, parsley, rosemary, thyme, and dill. Shrubs. The shrub is any woody plant with several stems and no dominant property. The shrub is usually less than 3 meters tall. It may be called a bush when the shrub is much branched and dense in this condition. Trees. The tree is defined as a long-lived woody plant with a single, usually tall main stem with few or sometimes no branches on its lower part. Do you know? A plant called bamboo can grow up to 1 meter in one day. Climbers. The climbers are plants with long, flexible climbing stems that are rooted in the ground and usually have long dangling branches. Creepers. The creepers are the plants that grow upon or just beneath the surface of the ground or upon any other surface, sending out the rootlets from the stem. Do you know? A country called Brazil gets its name from the Brazilwood tree. What does plants give us? Plants give us fruits, vegetables, nuts, etc. We get food from different parts of a plant like roots, carrot, beetroot, turnip, and radish, and these grow under the soil, so we can eat these roots. The roots contain vitamins and other health-promoting nutrients. Root vegetables: turnip, rutabaga, beetroot, parsnip, carrot. Do you know? Plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Leaves. The leaf is one of the most important parts of a plant. Leaves produce food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. The leaves of different plants vary widely in size, shape, and color. We eat the leaves of a plants like mint, spinach, lettuce, etc. Sorrel, spinach, chives, arugula, artichoke, broccoli, cabbage, celery, Swiss chard, stem. Some plants store their food in their stems like sugarcane, onion, potatoes, ginger, and these grow under the soil. All over the world, the onion is recognized as an edible bulb. So, it contains vitamins and other health-promoting nutrients. We eat the stems of the plant. Seeds and grains. Some plants store their food in their seeds like corn, rice, wheat, and pea. Around 3 billion people worldwide depend on rice for their diet. Crops such as rice and wheat have lower concentrations of some nutrients when they are grown under an atmosphere with higher levels of the greenhouse gas. Sunflower, rice, pumpkin seed, flax, buckwheat, bean, soy, peas, corn, cocoa beans, coffee, heat. Do you know? About 2 lakh different plant species are found on Earth. There are 2 types of foods that we get from plants. Food grains, cereals, wheat, rice, madge, corn, pulses, urad dal, moong dal, masoor dal. Cereals. Cereal crops, also known as grain crops, are plants that are grown primarily for their edible seeds or grains. These crops are widely cultivated as they are a staple food source for humans and animals. A grain is used for food and breakfast. Food like wheat, rice, and maj are called cereals. It contains high fiber products aiding in weight maintenance and product high in whole grain content being beneficial to the heart. They are obtained from seeds of plants like urad dal, moong dal, masoor dal, and grain like Bengal gram, black gram, green gram, yellow gram are called pulses. Pulses are traded throughout the world and India being a major player in the global market. Food grains are the seeds of the plants. Wheat plant, maj plant, rice plant, flowers. We can also eat flowers, but we cannot eat every flower. Some flowers we can eat are cauliflower, broccoli, etc. We can grow cauliflower within 50 to 55 days and broccoli in 60 to 65 days. Edible flowers can be used in baking, candy, syrups, salads, teas, or as a pretty garnish. Vegetables and fruits. Some of the plants store their food in vegetables. They are tomato, brinjal, pumpkin, cucumber, lady's finger, etc. Fruits and vegetables contain important vitamins, minerals, and plant chemicals. They also contain fiber. There are many varieties of fruit and vegetables available and many ways to prepare, cook, and serve them. A diet high in fruit and vegetables can help protect you against cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Uses of plants. Plants give us food in different ways. Plants give us fruits, nuts, and vegetables. We get food from different ways like stem, leaves, seeds, and roots of the plant, and we also get coffee, tea, and sugar from plants. Plants give us fiber. We get fiber from the cotton plants and it is used to make cotton cloth. We can take fiber from the jute plant and it is used to make sacks, bags, ropes, and mats. Plants give us wood and timber. Wood of shisham, sal, walnut, and teak trees is used for making furniture. Some people use wood as fuel. For example, teak tree, pine tree, neem tree. Plants give us medicines. We get medicines from certain plants like tulsi, neem, amla, cinchona, foxglove, poppy, garlic, and eucalyptus trees. Tulsi leaves are used to cure cold and cough. We obtain oil from eucalyptus plants. It is very good for health and used as a medicine. Quinine from the bark of the South America cinchona tree is used to combat diseases like malaria. Plants give us oil. We can take oil from the seeds and fruits of some plants. Oils are used for cooking and making soaps. This oil is used for our hair and it is also used as medicine. Some of the plants used for making oil are mustard, groundnut, sunflower, coconut, etc. Do you know? A lot of plant species are used for medicinal purpose. Plants give us gum, rubber and paper. We get gum, rubber and paper from some kinds of plants. For example, bamboo plant, rubber tree, kikar plants. Rubber is obtained from rubber trees. Gum is obtained from kikar plants and acacia tree. The pulp of bamboo plants is used in making paper. Plants give us spices. Many things come from plants. There are more than 20,000 known spices, edible plants in the world, and some of the spices like bay leaves, cardamom, turmeric, ginger, cumin, clove, pepper, and coriander, etc. Makes the food very tasty. Plants give us oxygen. Plants make our world very beautiful. They stop pollution and keep our air clean and fresh. We should grow plants in roadside premises so that the pollution can be controlled. Plants take carbon dioxide and release more oxygen. Plants give us drinks. Some of the plant's parts, leaves, are used in making tea, coffee, cocoa. These leaves and seeds are used to prepare drinks. Example: tea is obtained from the leaves of tea plants. Coffee is obtained from the seeds of coffee plant. Cocoa is obtained from the fruits or pods of cocoa tree. Plants give us perfumes. We can make perfumes from sweet-smelling flowers like roses, jasmine, lavender, champa, etc. We also use flowers to decorate our homes, and flower plants make our gardens more beautiful. The oil we use in cooking is made from plants extract like coconut oil, sunflower oil, and rice bran oil. Let's recall. Trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers and creepers are the different types of types. Trees have hard and thick stem called trunk. Plants store their food in fruits, roots, stems, seeds and flowers. There are two types of food grains like cereals and pulses. Plants provide food for animals as well as human beings. Tea is obtained from the leaves of tea plants. Coffee is obtained from the seeds of coffee plant. Rubber is obtained from rubber trees. The pulp of bamboo plants is used in making paper. Plants give us wood, timber, oil, medicines, spices, etc. Plants make the air fresh and clean by releasing oxygen. Glossary. Fragrant. Having a pleasant scent or aroma, sweet smelling, sweet scented. Dominant. More powerful, successful, influential, or noticeable than other people or things. Dangling. To hang loosely and usually so as to be able to swing freely. Flexible. Capable of being bent. Photosynthesis. The process in which green plants use sunlight to make their own food. Edible. Any item that is safe for humans to eat. Assessment. 1. Answer the following questions. 1. Give 3 examples of root vegetables. Unsway. Carrots, beets, and radishes. 2. What are rubber and paper made from? Unsway. Rubber is made from the latex of rubber trees, and paper is made from the pulp of trees. 3. What are the different types of plants? Unsway. The different types of plants include trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. 4. List 5 uses of plants. Unsway. Plants provide oxygen, food, medicine, wood, and fibers for clothing. 5. Where do plants store their food? Unsway. Plants store their food in their leaves, stems, roots, and seeds. Hots. Plants do not need a digestive system. Give reason. Plants do not need a digestive system because they produce their own food through photosynthesis, using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide and absorb nutrients directly from the soil. Life skills. Plants clean the air. Plants make the air clean which we use for breathing. Comment in the class.